saw you walking in the rain. This is the last place I would expect to see you. Just walking in the rain. I can't believe there's a man who would allow me to meet you. He fucked up when he let you go. Now you in my two-door convertible, got the top down. We looking up and watch the moon glow. Damn, she just want a man that'll hold her hand out in public. Display of affection, that's PDA, don't make nothing of it. Well, you can find that here though. That nigga's just a weirdo. I penetrate you, I hit it good, I lick it better, no beer flow. Sometimes when people don't have what they want in life, they take it out on you. For all them years in the pain and walks in the rain, I feel like I was no more walking in the rain. Get to see you no more. Show you love like that. Make you come right back. And come back to back. When we lay down, it's never back to back. If your wine house ain't a home, it'll fade to black. We can build our own, what you say to that? God must have lost an angel, I pray to that. I'm something like Columbus, I ain't need a map to find you. You found me, and I won't leave you behind me. I want you beside me. Live life, love, carefree. I saw you walking in the rain. This is the last place I would expect to see you. Just walking in the rain. I can't believe there's a man who allowed me to meet you.